Ordering food and drinks. After this, there is also another game. How good is this? You will use these things, all of them, you will learn. And you know what? You start with hello and greetings. Every time. When you enter a restaurant or cafe, friendly greeting is always a good start. Say merhaba to mean hello. Asking for a menu. To request a menu, you can say menü lütfen. Menu please. Ordering food. When you're ready to order, use phrases like bir adet means one portion of. Lütfen, please. I'd like. Ben istiyorum. What do you recommend? Ne önerirsiniz? How much does it cost? Bu ne kadar? If you want to order a kebab, bir adet kebap lütfen. Drinks. Bir şişe, bottle. Bir şişe, one bottle. Bir bardak, one glass of. Bir şişe su lütfen. One bottle of water please. Bir şişe su, water lütfen please. Special requests. If you have specific dietary preferences or allergies, it's crucial to communicate them. You can say, gluten alerjim var. I have a gluten allergy, whatever. Veganum. I'm vegan. Thinking and paying. To express gratitude after your meal, say teşekkür ederim, which is thank you. To ask for the check in a Turkish restaurant, you can use the phrase hesap lütfen, or you can show him your hand. Like this. You're signing something, like the bill. Or hesap lütfen. Oh, also, this is çay. 4 çay. Su, water. If I cigarettes, but you wouldn't ask this in many places. If I will remember later, I will tell you. Bread, ekmek, rice, pirinç, meat, et, chicken, tavuk. Beef, dana eti. Dana is cow or ox. Lamb, kuzu, fish, balık. Vegetables are sebzeler, salata, çorba, soup, makarna is pasta, pizza is pizza, easy. Sandwich is tatlı is dessert, dondurma is ice cream, meyve, fruit, peynir, cheese, yumurta, egg, patates, potato, çorba, soup. We 2 times raw çorba. Alright. Drinks. Water, su, tea, çay, coffee, kahve, milk, süt, juice, meyve suyu, soft drink, gazlı içecek, beer is bira, wait a second, soft drink, gazlı içecek actually means drink with gases. Beer is bira, wine, şarap, soda, lemonade, limonata, alkol. Mineral water is mineralli su. All right. Good luck. And good luck. There are the instructions. So it goes like this for the game. You are asking in English, for example, what's orange juice? And he should say portakal suyu. What is sad milk? He should say üzgün süt. Happy salad. He should say mutlu salata. If he just says salata, it doesn't count. And here you will understand how it's played. The circle goes until the person finish. Like first, second, third. All right.